In this video, I'm going to build a brand new store on WHOP from start to finish, and I'm going to show you the 7-day email series that I created for everybody who grabs my free product. But I wasn't expecting this. When I created my store yesterday, I discovered that there's a new reward for a trip to New York City if you reach $500 revenue in your first 7 days. There's a new reward. Well, they'll fly you to New York City for an unforgettable experience. I received this email when I set up the store that if I hit a $500 revenue by July 30th for me, then I'll get this round trip flight to New York City, a stay in a luxury hotel, lunch with the team at headquarters, and a surprise at Times Square. So I'll be watching the WHOP.io Twitter stream to see who's winning this. This is certainly something worth putting some time and effort into. So if you're a creator who already has an audience, I'm going to show you in this video that you can set up a new store on WHOP in less than 2 hours and then send out an email to your list. And if you can generate $500 in 7 days, you'll win this free trip. So now let's jump in and I'll go through step by step what I did yesterday to create this new store. And in this video, I'll show you this email sequence that I set up inside my Beehiiv newsletter website so that I can monetize this audience. I wrote a post a little while ago about the 3 steps to making money with free content. And this is the butterfly effects that we're working towards. In this video, I'm going to create a brand new store on WHOP. Then I'm going to create a webhook and I'm going to connect it to a make automation so that it takes all of the new people who grab my free product and it puts them into a 7-day email series to build my subscribers for my website, AI Business Plans. And the reason I want to do this now is because I just discovered a fantastic way to earn money from boosts and ads inside the Beehiiv newsletter. So let's create the new shop and I'm going to call it Free Make Blueprints. And my niche is going to be business. If I make $500 in 7 days, if I reach $500 revenue in 7 days, I'll be flown out to the WHOP headquarters in New York City for an unforgettable experience. So if you've got something that you can launch and you know you're going to make $500 in 7 days, wow, that's pretty cool. But I'm not doing that. I'm doing a free giveaway on this one. So we're going to start off by adding a simple app. And then we'll edit the store with a very simple layout and interface just to get it started and apply to the marketplace. So I'll open these up in separate tabs. And all I want to do for this one is to add a file. And I uploaded the make.com blueprint, my stuff, to Twitter. Next, I want to have the download our blueprints that make you money. Our blueprints make you money. Back. Page name, free make blueprints. Page slug, free make blueprints. Very good for search engine optimization. Our tagline is in place. The categories are business, marketing, sure, save, tags, artificial intelligence. Now the media gallery has to be 2000 by 1000. And now I'm going to get AI to help me create something from this. All right, I'll take it. And I like this big white one. And then I also want to have the make logo in here. I wonder if I have it as one of my, yes, very good. Okay, thinking about it too much. Let me put header in there. And move it. All right, good enough. Free make blueprints. Now I'm uploading the image, free make blueprints. Your features will stay here. That's good enough. Back. Preview image. Copy. Very good. All right, so back. Now we got the preview image. Now the features. New feature. A robot. working blueprint. Okay. Very good. Just the basic, frequently asked question. Sure, same thing, free logo, about. Social links, add X. Save. Add the website. Okay, well, that's good enough. Back. So now we have everything in place. Set up payouts on our dashboard here. Okay, now I got to do a product actually. So product, create a product, free product, continue, instant access, I want it to expire because I think it'll give them a countdown email, and I can also extend their free time by a period, and it'll give them an email about that. So it's got the file included in the app. All right, it looks like the basics are in place. The basics are there for free make blueprints. Like, this is a pretty powerful keyword phrase. That's amazing, actually. So now inside here, growth hacks. Now I want to join the marketplace. Apply to marketplace. I need to get a customer review. I need to have some more features, some better product description, and I need a paid product. So now to join we can set up cancellation discounts, we can set up global affiliates, and we can add annual pricing options. So I want to join the marketplace, but before I can join the marketplace, we have to have a customer review. We need a paid product, product descriptions, and features. So I'm going to have to go into more detail. Now, even if the paid product that I eventually put in here, even if it doesn't sell anything, that's not the real power of this. The real reason I want to do this is to get all of my different automations put up on here now so that they are each individually available for free as a download. I'll start off with the Twitter one, and I'll do something for a product. I'm not sure what to do on there right now. The main reason is to have people signing up for the free products so that the webhook will put them into my Google Sheet, and then it'll add it to my automation on Beehiiv. So then they start going through this email sequence, and it's really, really important because let's see if I can take a look at these. And the second email is really important because it has the referral link where it's bringing people through my referral link to make.com. And then the next emails, I'm going to show them how to set it up, how to set up your Google Sheet and give them an example, how to set up your Make account so that you can import the blueprint, how to find these settings properly inside OpenAI to actually make this stuff work, and then connecting Twitter to Make in the next email. And then I want to celebrate their success and bring them in. But then their status is set to inactive, and they're done the sequence, and I want to put these people over into a different email. There are two different ways you can monetize in Beehiiv, and right now I've just started doing some ads, and there's not very many for me to choose from. It may be because I have a very small subscriber base, but there are also boosts that I've been earning from, and I started to learn more about these boosts and how I'm able to make different amount of money off of all of these. And so what I'm doing now is I'm copying the direct link from the offer from boosts, and I'm putting those into the bottom of my email. So as people scroll down to the bottom and read to the bottom of my email, I'm introducing 2 really well-backed email newsletters that will pay me for everybody who subscribes. And so I'm putting these across the bottom of all of my email and turning up a whole new revenue stream. And as soon as I found out that I could create a webhook for anybody who signs up for a free offer on a WHOP store, and I could put them into my Beehiiv newsletter, this is going to be an enormous amount of free subscribers coming into my system here that I could do 2 different emails a day to send out to this group of people. Then each one of those emails is another earning center. And each one of those email I want to republish onto Medium into a different publication so it gets a larger audience. And then I want to share those onto the social media. So I'm having different layers of revenue built into any of this conversation about making money with artificial intelligence. Now I'm going to create a product, a free product for each one of these blueprints, and I'm going to put it onto that free blueprints store on WHOP, and then I'm going to have a product on there for $9.95 one-time purchase where you can buy all of them all at once instead of having to sign up for all of them for free. And that'll be it. And the whole thing is to draw email subscribers into my Beehiiv where I can monetize that audience. And now for a quick update, I've gone through and I've added a bunch of products. And then I had ChatGPT, that's somebody signing up. I had ChatGPT help me go through and estimate what these would be worth if you use them for the amount of time they save you over a year. And it added up the actual value you would get if you did this. And it's less than, you would get more value than this. $56,000 worth of time at $50 an hour would be saved by using these. So it's a really fantastic upgrade to the sales page. And what'll happen now is if people purchase this, oh, the automation should be running right now. Okay, it didn't come through here. So I don't know how long it takes for the webhook to signal things and for the automation to actually run, but that's amazing that something just came through right now. Now the final step is to join the marketplace. This is where WHOP will send me a bunch of traffic, more than just search engine. So I've got everything done now except for the customer review. There must be at least one review from a customer. So even if it's a free sign up, and if they leave a review and WHOP then approves the review, then this will be eligible to be, then I can apply to the marketplace. And then they'll go through the review process. They'll check every single screenshot. They'll check every single page. They read everything. And then if it's all done correctly, they'll approve it and put it into the marketplace. All right, I went into a different profile on WHOP to sign up to the free details and see how the experience was, and then to leave myself a review. And it says, we're excited for you to leave a review, enjoy the content, and come back in 4 days. So this is a really good filter to be sure that people are actually wanting to leave a review about what you're doing here. So now I want to see if this email address starts to get the email sequence. So stay tuned. Let's see how this turns out. Thanks again for being here. You're a trooper for watching all the way through. Be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, share this video, leave a comment down below, all the routine things. Stay safe, everyone. Here's to your success.